Good afternoon, class 11 students. Ngarang giduda lagi basi se permanent tissue dumaina laigre ko permanent tissue sidai sta ani thokna khaidoki natra se simple permanent tissue haiba maga complex permanent tissue haiba maga simple permanent tissue sidai sta parent kaima colon kaima scleron kaima sumai laigre aduga complex permanent tissue sidai sta na xylem and phloem sumaina lakadoini ko se yengji sigi xylem phloem se sigi sidai sei sa akoigi karigi adumaina complex tissue se karmaina oireino haiba matamda more than one type of cell se sigi sina adumaina punjanaraga adumaina semakpa ko adudina complex permanent tissue complex tissue oireba aduga xylem phloem sina constitute tawrisi akoina complex tissue ama sigi plant sida ni ko tawdoise xylem phloem sidi plant ki wari ni ko admai tawrni aduga more than one type of cell si ma underline toksen batare number 1 da laktoi si xylem hana la ani aduga next da admaina phloem sumaina laksi ko magi su xylem sigi su magi companion cell sai tare ko companion oiba moida mateng pangakpa moiga loina na jatkadaba mayam ama lakidoini adagidi se sumaina tracheids adagi vessels xylem fibers adagi xylem parent kaima etc mayam ama lakidoine ba sumaina akhoi phloem gisu lakidoini ko duna sigi matek se munna taba darkar oi sigi si adum matung taba bokta adum sijiнаrakadaba adumaina portion ni ko sigi sidia xylem gi magi function je karino haiba matamda akhoi conducting tissue ne ba moise kamaina for water and the mineral se karaidagi from the root chidagi karawai da laktoiba stem da leaves da laktoiba akoina root china kaidoba root absorb water and minerals haigiba mamang the function of the root ko root absorb water and minerals from the soil and then adugi the up water the maina thagalakadori neba adu sigi lakpa matang sidai saisa sida xylem ko singche hujikti am yaura adoboni ko ahambadai samna root ki function kaino root absorb water and minerals from the soil aigi then hujikti kamaila ani kamai tokdana chukhala ino water and minerals to ka haibase xylem se sigisina conducting tissue oibanina water and minerals se sidai saisa root tagi se from root ko water and minerals from roots lani karai dagi to stem and the leaves ta chumaina thagalakadori bako aduba targadi hujiki hairiba se mana provide tokdori se karino haidi mechanical strength ko erane bakarai da plant body duda number 1 point say conducting tissues for water and minerals from the roots the root tagina karawaida stem and the leaves root china chukhalaga laigre water root absorb water and minerals then root na chukhalaga lairibodo up water pikhalaka dori neba plant body the aerial parts of the plant body the pikhalakpa se xylem china tawgodori neba and then mechanical strength oirani aduga amuk sibok sima khosal tare underline aduga hairiba hujiki xylem se mangon sidai sai the composed of 4 different kinds of elements mari na haitare ko saraka doini sigi elements mari sigi maming je khangba darkar oi number 1 tracheids number 2 vessels number 3 xylem fibers and the xylem parent kaima sumai la aneba aduga hairiba sigi leg oeba vessels singse in gymnosperms leg vessels in their xylem vessels se sije gymnosperm dadi adumain tawdana yauroi haidi karmaina no gymnosperm haibadi haitargadi akoina se akoina uchan panbi haitare ko pine gumba cycas gumba moising se akoina gymnosperm hairaga khangnai moidi flower adumaina sate duga akoigi flower satliba party singchina akoina angiosperm hairaga khangnani bako gymnosperm di non flowering oi adoi targasu woody in nature oi for example akoina pine gumba se aduga tracheids are elongated for tube like cells tracheids di koi tube like cells oigani sangane bako aduna hairibasi with thick and the lignified walls that means the hujiki tracheids haije magi wall do adu tube like cells ni adugi cell sigi magi wall se kamai tawge hai matamda lignin jaweba aduga tapering ends hai targadi machin je tumthoga lotion gine tape like structures. These are dead and are without protoplasm. Moise dead oy asibani aduga protoplasm jawdre. Inner layers of cell walls have thickenings with very informed. In flowering plants, that means the angiosperm, the tracheids and vessels singse main water transporting elements oeba. Flowering plants ta main water transporting elements se kanana oi hai targadi tracheids. Underline vessel is long cylindrical tube-like structure oigani kanana metapop tawi vessel member singna. Hai riba is with lignified walls and a large central cavity. The vessel cell singse also devoid of protoplasm. Vessel members are interconnected through perforations in their common walls. Common wall ama tawraga moije phawdok phawjin tawnagadori ni hairiba presence of vessel se sigi characteristic feature se sigi si angiosperm sidai se present oigani and then xylem fibers hai targadi highly thickened walls oigadaba or dagi obliterated oigani central lumen ama yaugani aduga septate oiba matang yauba or natraga accepted oiba sigisu oiba yayaba xylem parenchyma sidi living oidoriba thin wall and their walls are made up of cellulose sigisu xylem parenchyma gi cellulose simasu MCQ da hangali aduga magi function ju hangali store food materials in the form of starch or fat gedako other substances like tannin su yauganeba. The radial conduction of water takes place by the ray parenchymatous cells laire aduga primary xylem and the koigi sidai jaida lakadori se primary xylem sidai jaida makhal ani la aneba kari no protoxylem and the metaxylem ane lakaneba. First form of primary xylem element se protoxylem kaweba. Pro that means the initial stage se pro kaweba ko adugi duna sigi sidai jaida protoxylem metaxylem kaidai la I primary xylem sta ani thokna khaidokpadai la I primary xylem sidi first form primary xylem element obanina protoxylem ana kaurane ba aduga later form torokpado aduduna metaxylem kaugani stem da protoxylem se karaida laigani hai taragadi lies towards the center je pit kawi ko center sigi towards the laigane ba metaxylem na kai laigani lies towards the periphery of the organ dugi akoibada laigani metaxylem na aduga protoxylem na mayai du da laigani ba maramdi protoxylem di madi initial oiba form neba element se aduga metaxylem na akoigi se later form oirakpagi. Then this type of primary xylem sina kari kaure haiba matamde endoc kauraneba endoc khangi ko root tadi protoxylem se karai da laigani towards periphery da laigani ba singa sai tawgrisina stem ni metaxylem na towards the center da mugla aneba adui taragadi sigi arrangement sibuna kari kaure types of arrangement se exact kauganeba endoc ka exact ka ani se difference am hangali endoc hai taragadi kaidoba ngasai gi hai gi base karmaina lei haiba matamda stem da oirani exact root da oirani hujiki stem da oiriba stage da protoxylem do kaida leidoriba lies towards the center da leiba center that means the pit aduga metaxylem na lies towards the periphery of the organ sisna endoc kaurani exact hai gi hai taragadi protoxylem se karai da leidoriba lies towards periphery da leiraniba aduga metaxylem na lies towards the center da leiraniba ani jo onna taina thoktoini ko exact ka endoc ka se but akoina endoc hai taragadi stem da naina grani exact kharagana kari da naina doriba root ta sida differentiate between exact and the endoc 2 marks da maina hangba yare and then da sigi mathak sida da yaugi ba macha singse sigi se mahangba yare sida da primary xylem parenchyma sigi cellulose oiba made up of cellulose cell walls to then they store food materials in the form of starch and the fat and the substance like the tannins sina chingba singche noi je khangba tare ko next ta phloem la asiko फ्लोएम सिदी ट्रांसपोर्ट फूड मटेरियल्स नि हाइडिंग असाइगी रुतुना चुखला लेरंबदु कनान अबवाट पिखले जाइलेम ने पिखला इब जाइलेम ने पिखला इब पोतो फ्लोएम हाइबसिने ट्रांसलोकेट तौथोकने बको ट्रांसपोर्ट फूड मटेरियल्स यूजुअली फ्रॉम लीव्स to the other parts of the plant. Phloem in angiosperm is composed of the sheath tube elements, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, and the phloem fibers. Sumaina laigani aduga akoina gymnosperm dadi kaidogani haiba matamda albuminous cells and the sheath cells sumaina lakpa. The leg sheath tubes oigani companion cells sheath tube elements singse long tube like structures oigani aduga karmaina arrange tawgadagi haiba matamda longitudinally and say are associated with the companion cells oigani ba adui taragadi sigi companion cells adi karino haiba matamda a mature sheath elements possesses a peripheral cytoplasm and a large vacuole but lack a nucleus oigadaba nucleus ti yawroiba vacuole sida ko my functions of sheath tubes are controlled underlined by the nucleus of companion cells oigani companion cells di karino haiba matamde specialized parenchymatous cell oigani hairibase kanage associate tawgani sheath tube singe associate tawganeba adoidi sheath tubes haiba elements kaise companion cells ga connect tawnarani karaida pit fill present between the common longitudinal wall sidai seisa then the phloem parenchyma ti kanana metapop tawi haiba matamda masi elongated oidoini sangani tapering maton tumjangani cylindrical oiraga ko adu maji cytoplasm cham dense oina yawrani nucleus su yawganeba aduga magi cell wall singche composed of cellulose cell wall yawgani ko aduga mu kaidogdoriba has pits laigani pit adi ahoba ko magi akogi magi center do laigani kamaina which plasmodesmatal connections exist between the cells phloem parenchyma ta togdoisi food store torani adagi substance atai mayam ama resins kumba latex haitadi akoina makhom thokpa gumba se latex kawi ko resins kainaga su makhan mayam am lei mucilase haitadi nang lawba pot sina chingba mayam leirani aduga phloem parenchyma de absent oibadi karai the phloem parenchyma absent oi monocot oigani dicot na present oigani monocot haidi mycotyledon do ama khatang leiba dicot harga ani leibaduni ko phloem fibers se bas fibers harga ju khangnei sigisdi kanana sai haiba matamda sclerenchyma cells ngarang tongibado sclerenchyma do adugi cell singchina sagrane bako aduga masi karai de absent oi kamaina absent oi primary phloem de absent oi re aduga karai da phangi secondary phloem da di phangane ba masi ju kamai tawgani elongated oigani branch lairoi aduga pointed oigani needle dawna itum tumgane ba yetum dawna adu cell wall of phloem fibers si yamna akhoi thick oigane ba mature oira kanda di kaidorani haitaragadi moigi fibers lose their protoplasm mangrani aduga dead oirani haidi permanent orba matam da dead or su yare ko aduna akoina phloem fibers of jute adigi flax hem ka hai singse commercially sijinarakpa first form primary phloem se kaidoba narrow sheath tubes leire kari hara khangnei protoploem ngasai haigiba dumaina adagi kona semakpa phloem duna kari metaploem sumain tawdana phloem gi makhan singchu leigani aduga amuk kari gi makhan chu leiba xylem gi makhan chu sumaina lakane ba ko and then the tissue system lakpa matam the epidermal tissue system ground tissue system ko sina chingba akoina vascular tissue system makhan khara leira ani ko sigi sidai seisa akoina epidermal tissue system gi matang sidai seisa akoina stomata simayam phajana khangba tare stomata ni sona kan de ye iba page number 89 sidai se stomata se akoigi monocot ka dicot ka ani ji khena gani ko stomata si sona kan de ye iba bin shape oi base that is the akoigi dicot ki stomata ni aduga sona kan gi dumbbell shape idea akoina arumba thangana ba man baje sisna monocot ki stomata ni haiba stomata singse kaidogodagi haiba matamda day time da moise open tawgani aduga night time da na adumaina close tawgane ba aduga plant body gi oina di stomata sna khwaidagi major opening so oiba po ni ko sida in and out yam loina mak ayamba tawgadori si nataba atopa akhoi cuticle ka haiba adagi lenticel ka haiba minute openings mayam amasu yawdoini adubu khwaidigi achauba ahobadi karino haiba matamda stomata si oigani sidaide exchange of gases adagi transpiration etc mayam amasidaide tawgadoini ko adu day time da stomata se automatically open and kadoba night time da close sumaina tawgani ko magi akhoi part khara yaugani stomatas te yaugadori si ahoba mayai gi saruk sibu opening of stomata gi ahoba saruk se stomatal por kaurani aduga akhoi sida bin shape oiriba se sisna guard cell kawi dot jawlbasna chloroplast ni atai myam sina subsidiary cells kawi matai thangbasina epidermal cells kawi epidermis that means the mapan thangbase dicotiga sugi monocotiga magi yauriba magi se apparatus singje chap managa dawni ko ado stomata gi matang se yam hangale aduna sigis dai sai sa stomata si epidermal tissue system sta leire epidermis sai targadi mapan thangbaduni aduna magi epidermis da yaugdoje stomata adagidi epidermal appendages trichomes and here akoina koi si root hairs kind tauri singche loina mak singche magi epidermal tissue da sandoini epidermis is the outermost layer of the plant body oidoini made up of elongated adai compactly arranged cells oidoini compact adi yam kungna yam thana ko continuous layer oigani aduga epidermis study single layer oigani epidermal cell singse parenchymatous oigani with loinana small amount of cytoplasm lining laigani mogi cell wall sidaisa aduga plant kinina vacuole diam sauna yaugadaba outside the epidermis kaidorani open with a waxy thick layer called the cuticle akoina wax to adugido oiba layer sing yaugani aduidu cuticle kawi sisu openings ni with which prevents the loss of water sigi waxy ji yaurabanina wax to yauksalabanina akoina water ji pakthok ta thoki gadabado aduidu prevent aurakadoni aduga stomata cuticle se root di absent oeba aduga stomata se sigisidi kaidoba epidermis of leaves ta yaugani leaf ki makha thangba saruk ta na hena marang kaina yaugani moidi microscope ta ga dum uba phangi ko is stoma is composed of two bin shaped cells known as guard cell kaure adagi enclosed stomatal pores lairani grass kumbadadi kaidoba guard cells are dumbbell shape maramdi grass kumbadi monocot ni outer walls of guard cells singse kaidorani haiba matamda away from the stomatal pore oigani and thin and the inner walls towards the stomatal pore da highly thickened amuk lakaneba aro guard cell sidai sai chloroplast se dumaina yaurani chloroplast yauk targadi photosynthesis taure that means the inside the chloroplast chlorophyll se present oidoinena regulate the opening and the closing of stomata oirani sometimes a few epidermal cells in vicinity of the guard cells become specialized in their shape oigani size nino subsidiary cells kaure stomatal aperture se guard cells and the surrounding subsidiary cells sing je pula punjalaga kari kaure stomatal apparatus na kaurani ba aduga in the cells of epidermis se sisna here ga so dum bear tok doini root here sing se kaidoba unicellular oigani cell amakatang yauba elongation oigani sangani epidermal cell ni moina help togdoidi absorb water and the minerals from the soil si hangan bani ko aduga trichome sisu epidermal here singni si juna karai de yauba stem de yauba here sing china trichomes kaugani root de yauba sina root hairs kaugani ko moi ani hangale trichomes is a shoot system are usually multicellular oi root kiduna kari oire unicellular oiganeba they may be branch or unbranched oiba yai soap or stiff oiba yai adyam thotpa yai natraga sap jungba yai adagi they may even be secretory oiba yai trichomes ne help toisi kaino preventing water loss due to transpiration habdi loss of water from the aerial parts of the plant body oina loss toba in the form of vapor that is the transpiration ni adu sigisina muk prevent tawi in habako pare adudi 11 sibok se gyan tabre yango sigi makha sa tharak taragadi amuk sangdagrani na tawbani ko ana sibok se tawsi ko ngasidi